jars. This one is great looking and made of glass and comes with a metal lid. Let's dig in and learn more about the jar set. First look. The set comes with 6 glass jars. The shape of the jar is a bit spherical like traditional pot containers. The stainless steel lid is adaptable and airtight. They are convenient to store spices, flour and sugar. As you can see the contents inside. Performance. Unlike most glass jars, this one's silicone seal is thick, which makes it leak-proof. The jar's wide opening makes it easy to fill the jar quickly and even easier to get them out. Usuals like rice, grains, snacks and nuts look good in these glass jars. The jars are waterproof and also simple to clean. Reason to buy. This set is great to store herbs, oats, snacks, pasta, spices, etc. These pot-shaped glass jars aesthetically look pretty awesome. To be honest, I'd get one of these just to make my kitchen rack look good. So if you're thinking of getting a glass jar,
Really cute jars you can buy for your storage needs. These Starwork Matka-shaped glass jars are the perfect addition to your kitchen. Not only are they highly functional and will make your kitchen more organized, they are really cute to look at and will add to the beauty of your kitchen as well. The red check lid tops are eye-catching. Matlab, if you stack these ones next to each other, that corner will surely light up. Also, the lids are airtight, so all the saman will stay fresh for a long time. और भी है. The lid is coated with a special material inside, जो सिर्फ jar नहीं पर lid भी safe रखता है. These are 400 ml jars, so you can use a bunch of these to nicely store a lot of stuff like masalas, dry fruits, spices, jam, achar, वगैरह. One of the best things about these jars is the wide mouth. तो इसको साफ करने में भी you will have all the space and also to store and pour out the ingredients. Let me add some mirchi powder in a Starwork Matka glass jar. And that's how pretty these little glass jars look. These jars are both microwave safe as well as dishwasher safe. So जैसा है वैसे अच्छे से you can use, store and clean them. So we suggest get a bunch of these, store stuff and use your creativity for it, and you can make it look colorful and presentable.
Hi guys, this is Rachna and today's review is of Starwork Matka glass jars. These jars come with beautiful, colorful, printed lids and are a set of 6 jars. These airtight jars can be used to store anything. You can use these to store jam, honey, craft work, masalas, dry fruits and a lot more. These are even perfect for gifting. And these jars are microwave safe. They are easy to use, store and clean. If your home or your kitchen needs some organization, then get your hands on these beauties. I personally use these to store a little bit of jewelry, knickknacks, and of course chocolates.
We really like the sleek built and eco-friendly design of Butterfly Premium Vegetable Chopper. It is made from unbreakable ABS plastic and has a capacity of 900 ml. That means you can chop a large quantity of foods at once. It has 3 sharp blades inside that are made from good quality stainless steel that can evenly chop the jar full of vegetables and fruits. Its unique string function gets the job done without needing electricity. To use Butterfly Vegetable Chopper, roughly cut the foods you want to chop and put inside the jar. Here we are chopping onion. And when you put it inside, close the lid firmly and pull this string a couple of times till the onion is chopped to your desired size. Our onion is chopped and we didn't have to shed a single tear. If you want to chop it further or turn it into a paste, pull the strings few more times. It's that simple. With the help of Butterfly Premium Vegetable Chopper, you can easily make salads, gravy, paste, and all other dishes requiring chopped ingredients. Get Butterfly Premium Vegetable Chopper to make cooking easy, quick, and fun.
This USB powered 66-foot long pliable copper wire can easily be bent to a shape or design you like, so it's perfect for a variety of uses and occasions like room decor, a wedding, parties, or other DIY creative lighting projects. The wire comes with 200 pieces of warm white bulbs with a life of 50,000 hours for long-term lighting. With IP65 protection, the copper wire is waterproof and can be immersed into water, making this perfect for indoor and outdoor decorations. It has become a staple in my house in all the rooms, and something that's going to keep your dining table looking clean and organized, and that is Tableware Storage Box by Kitom. Keep your cutlery arranged neatly on these storage boxes. They are made of plastic and measure 9.2 into 3.3 into 5.1 inches. You can even transfer them from the kitchen to your table or vice versa. They'll keep your table and kitchen organized, and the cutlery will also be easy to find and use. This set is super convenient and
I'm going to tell you about the containers by Solimo. Made from odor-free and BPA-free plastic, this set of storage containers are ideal for storing food items. They each have a capacity of 7.5 liters, and the 1.2 mm thick wall makes them a sturdy choice. The translucent bodies help you make out the container's contents without opening them. From rice and pulses to snacks and dry fruits, these containers are perfect for storing them all. So get this set today. I'm sure
speak to you about. I'm so excited to tell you why this is a total must have for your kitchens. This is a high quality food grade BPA free plastic drainer which is entirely safe for daily usage. You can strain everything from vegetables to rice to pulses. It comes with a movable lid. This will prevent spillage when you're using the drainer. The size is 29 by 12 by 22 centimeters and can be easily kept stored on your kitchen shelves. This drainer cum colander